So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of Ronnie fracture animation with using, guys, I use Cinema 4D R19. But guys, you can use any Cinema 4D version. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a cylinder, this one, yeah, and cylinder radius, guys, increase like 190, yeah, height decrease, guys, height like 10, yeah, and guys, I go to display, select here, lines and rotation segments increase like 50, yeah, simple, right? Okay, so next step, guys, I use Ronnie fracture tool and select the cylinder and mix with Ronnie, yeah, select this Ronnie fracture and guys, optimize and hold check, yeah, and colorize fragments uncheck and offset increase like 1, yes. See guys, that's my shape, right? See, right? Okay, so guys, that's my simple shape and now I create animation. So guys, firstly I take most spline, so hide this one, most spline, and display mode use line, yeah, right? So guys, this time I use array, this one, and select this most spline and mix with array, yeah. So guys, see, that's my array effect, and guys, radius like 0, yeah, and copy increase like 99, yes. See guys, that's my path, right? Okay, so guys, now connect this object, so use connect this one, and guys, select this array and mix with connect, yeah, right? It's good. Okay, next step guys, I take spline, this one, spline mask, and same guys, select this connect and make with spline mask, yeah, and guys, access, change viewport render view, yeah, that's it, right? Okay, so lastly guys, select this one, matrix, I like matrix, yeah, and guys, mode, use object, and see guys, that's my object, so select this connect and drag and drop in object, yeah, right? See, okay, so guys, I create animation, so go to rate and increase like 20 and go to back and play, yeah. See guys, that's my animation. Okay, so guys, I change pattern, so offset increase, and guys, count like 2 is good, and offset variant increase like this, yeah, and play. See guys, that's really good. Okay, so increase frame like 500, yeah, and go to back and play, yeah. See guys, that's my animation pattern, right? Okay, so guys, next one, simple. So guys, go to Ronnie fracture and source and delete point generate, and guys, simple, select this matrix, drag and drop in source, yeah, and this one, and hide this matrix, hide and render and play. See guys, that's my beautiful animation, right? See, it's really good. Okay, so guys, now stop this animation. My animation is finished. I apply material, go load material, and that's my C4D Studio Light. Select this one, yeah, guys, select this yellow material on this one, Ronnie fracture, yeah, right? Okay, so guys, this time select this Ronnie fracture and duplicate, Control C and V, yes, guys, select this Ronnie fracture 2 and cylinder, guys, height increase like 15 and change material like blue, yeah, So guys, go to Rodney fracture and offset fragments like 5. Yes, beautiful. See guys, that's really good. And last one, select this Rodney fracture, copy. So guys, select this third one, offset fragments 10 and change material like red. Yeah. And guys, increase, select the height like 20. Yeah. See guys, that's my new style of Rodney fracture effect. Right? See, it's really good. And guys, go to back and play. Yes. See guys, that's my new style of Rodney fracture effect. Right? Okay, so guys, stop this animation. My animation is finished. And now, guys, I use C4D light. Select. Yeah. See guys, that's my light. And go to top view panel. Select this overhead chop box. And go to in mid. This one. That's it. Yeah. And take camera. And guys, camera check. Guys, closer like this on top view panel. So guys, select this camera and rotation 0 and P 90. Yeah. Yes. So guys, select this camera and press this animation key, check. Yeah. Go to last one, 500 frames. 500 and go to on top y-axis like this. Yeah, and press this animation key. That's it guys. Right? Okay, so guys, play. Yeah, my final animation. And guys, go to front view panel and select this flow and background and down. Yeah, and guys, this time use only global illumination. That's it. And indirectly actually use low and anti-anomalous geometry. And guys, format, use JPEG sequences. So create new folder. That's my simple folder and take any file name. Yeah, and output, use all frame. That's it guys. My final animation is finished and render. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.